everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video a bit different. I'm kind of going to do a little get ready with me autumnal look, but then I'm going to do something really exciting, which you've probably seen in the title. I'm going to go get my first tattoo, and I'm going to be talking about it a bit more in a little bit, but I'm so scared, I'm so nervous, and I'm going to be taking you along with me and filming some stuff on my phone. I really love using this palette for like autumnal, like just kind of neutral, it's like neutral for me looks. It's the Topaz Obsessions by Huda Beauty. It's just got really pretty kind of neutral-ish shades. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the shade 02 this time, as they sent me this big bottle. So I'm going to take this shade here, orangey brownie shade, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. So what's happening with my tattoo, basically, as you probably know, my granddad passed away in April earlier this year, and he was such a good granddad to us. He was my biggest supporter, especially with my makeup, but before makeup, like with my, I used to do musical theatre, just like as a kid, and he was always my biggest supporter in that as well. And so yeah, he always wanted to know what I was doing and how I was doing and what exciting things I had coming up, and would always be there to be excited for me. I'm just going to take this lighter shade. It's not that much lighter, but it's a bit lighter, and I'm going to like... Okay, so I say at the end of this clip, but my microphone cut out, which is so annoying. I've only just started using a proper microphone that you have to like switch on, and I have to plug it into my laptop to give it power, and my laptop turned off without me knowing, so that's great. Basically, what I'm getting for my tattoo is there's no such word as can't. My granddad used to say that to me all the time, and I'd say, yes there is, it's in the dictionary, which was so stupid. Like, it's just one of those things that he always said to me, and that he mainly said to me. There was a few different like sayings that he said that I was thinking of getting. I was thinking of getting his signature, but then I didn't know. So basically, I have got together some letters from some passwords he'd written down, cropped them all and sent them to my tattoo artist, who is Obsessed With You Tattoo on Instagram. She is going to put them all together, make them same thickness and stuff, and make them same size so that they all look cohesive, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm just taking the lighter like yellow shade and blending out the orangey shades with a small fluffy brush from Morphe. And now I'm going to move on to my base, so let's do it. So I'm going to use the Ofra Cool as a Cucumber primer. But yeah, I have these two little scratches on my chin. I don't know if you can see. Kittens. Also, my skin's really bad at the moment, but I've bought new skincare, so I'm hoping my skin will start to clear up. I feel like they're starting to heal and go away, only slightly, only just. I'm really struggling with foundations at the moment. I never know which to wear. I feel like no matter what foundation I put on, I just put a load of concealer on anyway. I'm going to try out a new one today because I'm just fed up of all of my foundations. So hopefully this won't look bad. So I've got 120B Vanilla. I think that's going to be too light. Maybe in the winter. So this is 130G Panna Cotta. I'm scared. Hello? Are you going to come out or not? Oh my god. Hello? Oh, there we go. Is there any product in it? It's like it's empty. It is a little bit deeper, but not that much. I think, oh my god, that's going to be too light. Oh, it's good coverage. Like, obviously there's a few spots still poking through, but good coverage. So I have got two concealers in Whipped Cream and Marshmallow. Whipped Cream is like so light. I don't know if I'll be using that. I've never used this again, so I'm very excited. I really like the applicator. People have said this is a really good concealer, so. Oh, that's cooling underneath the eyes because of the applicator. I actually don't like the light under eye look anymore. It kind of makes me look a bit dead underneath my eyes because it's so like cool toned. I don't know, like white. I think that's a good shade actually with the foundation as well. Didn't check again and my microphone cut out for another 20 minutes. Go Alice, great YouTuber. I'll just explain the products that I went through. I didn't really talk about that much, to be honest, so I'll just tell you what products I use as I go along. But yeah, I'm so sorry. I promise next time it'll be better and I'll make sure that my laptop doesn't turn off. So I firstly used the Huda Beauty Tantour in Fair. I actually really like this product. It's a cream contour and I just dotted that around my face and then blended it out with the Huda Beauty brush as well. And then I thought I might as well use the Huda Beauty powder. This is in the shade Sugar Cookie, and just set my face. I then used a bit of my Too Faced Born This Way powder foundation just to add a bit more coverage, and the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze. I did have a bit of blush on, but I decided to use a different one. I used the Anastasia, I'm not sure what trio it is, I'm sorry. It's like the orangey one. And then I just did my lower lash line as usual. And then I used this coppery shade on my inner corner. I just used the Ofra setting spray. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use a kind of new one I've only used once. This is the Milk Makeup Iced Highlighter. And this is the shade it is. I think this is the lightest one. It's not very light, so if you're pale, I wouldn't really suggest this, but it's gorgeous. I mean, it's quite pale, but it's not like your glazed donut kind of pale. Okay, so the lashes I used are the Bold Face Muse Meant to Be lashes. They're quite small, but I thought just for this sort of look and to be more comfortable, I just thought I'd use some smaller lashes. I'm going to use my Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner. I wanted to use one of these, but I think that's too much. I'm just kind of dab it in the middle. Okay, so this is the finished look I've come up with. Autumnal, of course. I really love the bottom colour of my hair. I love the bottom colour. The top I'm not so sure about, but the bottom, it's like that jean blue I wanted.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, no.
Halloween earrings in as well. Oh, can you tell I like autumn and Halloween? I used the Lip Dose by Sleek. I used like one of these, but then I found like the whole rest of the range, which I put away because I thought I wouldn't use them, in my drawer. And there's like these really pretty burnt orangey colours. So I used this one. It's a bit red for this look, but I used a little bit and just dabbed it on my lips in the middle. And yeah, I really like it. I won't say goodbye because I'm not saying goodbye. You're going to be on my phone now, so you can come with me to get my first tattoo. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. But I'm also, I suddenly got like a little bit of excitement a minute ago, but then now I'm like, I don't know. What am I doing? What am I doing? Mum's here. So she's put on the little stencil to see where it is. Like it?
Yeah, I do like it. Really. It's going to be great.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Feel okay?
Yeah, fine. Feels a little bit like a pin.
Yeah.
Basically what it is. As you saw, I had it done. Can you hear me? We're at the station and yeah, as you saw, I got it done. Whoop, sneak peek. I'll show you it probably when I get home. And yeah, Mum didn't film it all because I thought it would be good to not film it all and just kind of experience the rest of it. So yeah, sorry if you can't hear me, I'll update you soon. Okay, so I'm back home now. Finally, I feel like it's been a really long day. Sorry I didn't really update you throughout the day. There wasn't really much to update you on and I was just eating and then going home. So done. I've taken the cling film off already because it was getting really sweaty and I just couldn't keep it on for longer. She said 4 hours and it's been about 3.5. I can't believe I have a tattoo and I'm never gonna get over it. I can't make decisions, so this has been a really hard decision for me. This is the tattoo. It's hard to show you, but that's what it looks like. I feel like it's like pen and I could just rub it off. Like, it doesn't seem real to me. I can't believe it. It didn't really, a little bit of it was a little bit more painful than other bits, but it was so fine, and it was kind of just like someone scratching you. Lauren is so good, and I'm so happy I picked her to do it. I gave her all the letters that I wanted to say of my granddad's writing, but they were all in different sizes, different thicknesses, because it was different pens and stuff, the letters, and she did so well of making them look like they were, but the same thickness and the same size, and was really accommodating when I asked her to change a few little things just to make her letter a bit smaller or a bit bigger. Did a few different sizes for me. She was really good. I really suggest going to see Lauren. She has an Instagram which is Obsessed With You Tattoo. She does amazing work. I really would love to get another piece of hers because she does amazing illustrations and stuff like that. She's also a lovely girl, and she works at One by One, which is just off of Oxford Street. It's in Soho. And yeah, it was really nice, really cool, and she was really comforting and just a sweet girl. So yeah, thank you so much to Lauren for doing it and for being so sweet and so lovely. Would I get another tattoo at this moment? Not sure. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit different for me. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you're new. It would really mean a lot. Also, my earrings are from Fluff Jewelry on Instagram and Depop. They're like little backed coffin earrings, so if you want to know where they're from. I'm gonna go and relax now because I am exhausted. My adrenaline was really high, and now I'm so tired because I've just had such a stressy day. Not stressy, but like, my Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.